Some good shit uso. Sekian come here, man.
So that we all know the thing I got get it, or you wanna. So that the coming eight we all enjoy Fifim Osana. As we all know, it's about that time to clear our mind. Get what my issues so that it guys. So pass me the weed, let me place that shit up. With some Hennessy, please, baby, pour me a cup. Got one water now, so that you know what's up. Come chill with studio so you can know what's going on. Get you for them, get I ifika or not official the cartoon. Get whatever bell, so get it a pass and stay tuned. Got one water now, you got one on side. Ikukufa fosya iyang gavale for mai. Apila iyo oi edek kai da berkaimi. Oh they happy to make a hua makwait fudi etau de hua makwait fudi esuki the happy life. Fudi esuki the happy wife. Oh si for ya kai me makwait fudi esasa the merry end.
You got me,
yeah,
you got me tripping.
Lord of mercy,
you got me.
Where that's good man, like your mom.
You got me, I'm so high.
Yeah. Selling into light up this part of man. Let's go. Yeah man. Ser man harian fa ngonga nge or fia. Papa na so ma fa susu aku sing phobia. Alai lai lo mio bai a big mama bo me dia. Lo ka ro poku sa se sing ko in fia. Ko fo ya fangu ngo de kia ngo kau dia. Ka ko wa nga o chi fai kim susu e mong dia. An wa fiki lucky on nge ko fa kali. Ko suki uma mong dia ngai dumo o mo wer kali a wat bai kau nge. Ale de fia idio ranga. E ki ko ro ma ko sko ya inga de kai. Get it nga su get it la bisi get it mau me ngai fai ai. Get it stress get it the sex ngai mix up with fire. Em ba lo fa ma du or make a kau nga fai. Ba ai e fa ka dumi e o so mai nga wak wai. Ka ko ba nga so se mak wai fi nga wai. Ka ko ba nga so se fia fa kasi mai.
You know the drill. Let's minimize that bullshit. Let's keep it real. Life is not fair. You know the drill. Let's minimize that bullshit. Let's keep it real and keep it 100%. You got me,
yeah,
you got me tripping.
Lord of mercy,
you got me.
where that's good man, like your mom.
You got me, I'm so